Want to ditch the 9-to-5 and become a top-tier freelancer? Today, we're breaking down exactly how to get accepted as a designer on Toptal, one of the most exclusive platforms for freelance talent. First, let's talk about the application process. You need a profile that truly shines, and it all starts with your portfolio. Step 1. Perfect your portfolio. Your portfolio is your resume. Ensure your work is top-notch, showcasing your best projects, quality over quantity. Select only the projects that best demonstrate your skills and expertise. Include case studies that detail your design process, your role in the project, and the results show, don't just tell. Step 2. Showcase your expertise. Toptal values designers with specific skills. Identify your core strengths: UI, UX design, branding, illustration, and highlight them throughout your application. Mention your experience with industry-standard design tools throughout your projects. This demonstrates your ability to be on projects immediately after being hired. Step 3. Application polish. Take your time. Be prepared to answer questions in a detailed manner, and put in the work as well. Pay close attention to detail when filling out the application. This platform values professionalism. Ensure your written responses are clear, concise, and error-free. Remember, Toptal is looking for the best. Focus on your best projects. Be confident about your skills, and approach the application with professionalism. If you truly want to make it, following these steps will significantly increase your chances of acceptance. Good luck, and happy designing.